What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So we got Kid Buu for us today from Dragonball Z. Yeah, he's from Z, isn't he? Well, Majin Buu is like still going, but this is Kid Buu. So the sort of evil version. So we're going to start with the center line of his frown. So we're pretty much center point on our page, and we're just going to go down, curve it there, and curve it here, like so. First, remember, use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast. And then this is gonna go up like so, diagonally. And then he's got his brows on the side, so these go up like so. You do that over this side too while we're here. So this goes up that way. And then this comes down, up, and around to there. They don't have to be perfectly symmetrical. Remember that. And his eyes. So, Dragon Ball eyes, typical Dragon Ball eyes. So we have a small little line there, a big long line there, and then a line that joins them, just here. And then his iris and his pupil. So this curves up like so, and his pupil in there, which is black. And his eyes are black all around here. And then we do that over here. So big long line on this side, small line in here, and then we join them along the bottom, diagonally, that way. Iris, semicircle, pupil, semicircle, black pupil, and then black eye. Like so. Right, we can add some sort of lines just coming underneath his eye, just some kind of cheek lines just there. And he doesn't have a nose, which makes it handy for us. He just has this kind of angry looking mouth. So we bring it up first on the side, bring it down into the center, and then up on the other side and down again. And then you just have a line for like his bottom lip, just there. And then his chin, just there. So his mouth appears to be about halfway between his eyes and his chin. Maybe a little lower. So jaw. So we go up the side, go up this side, like so, like a V. And then this goes up the side of his face. And then, so we jump a little bit. So we jump, and then we do the side of his head. So just here, like so. Same on this side. We jump, do the side of his head. And then his ears are in here. So they're kind of cone-like. So two lines come out the bottom. And then this comes down. Kind of the typical alien ears in Dragon Ball. And we got like a line in there. Same on this side. And then the side of his head is going to come up to that tail in the middle. So this comes up like so. And then imagine it goes out and around the other side. To there. And then he has that tentacle or something that sticks up in the middle of his head. So it curves up that way first. S sort of line. And then the other side curves up this way and around. like so. And then we just join it to the other line. So we just go in around there. And then he has those valves or holes that are all on his head. So we've 6 altogether. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, and the third one just here. And then they're dark black inside. Right, so his trapezius muscles, his neck muscles, come out from his jaw, so his head is kind of tilted forward a little bit. So that means we can't see much of his actual neck. We can just see his neck muscles at the back. So this comes down like that. And these bump out to his shoulders. So a real sort of compact figure, like so. And these come down a bit further. And then we have his tricep bump just here. Tricep bump on the other side. And then lines for his chest. So let's see, chest muscle line just here. And then a chest muscle line, just say here. And then 2 lines across. Doesn't have really defined sort of muscles like the rest of the Dragon Ball characters. Kind of softer, I guess. And then the side of his body, just here. And then this comes down, goes off my page. And then lines just for his diaphragm, or the top of his rib cage if he has a rib cage. And then a center line going down the middle. And then we just have lines for the top of his chest or his collarbone. So just here, coming across the top of his chest. Dips down then underneath his chin, then comes back up the other side and across for the other collarbone. Just here. And then we kind of neck muscle lines just here. And then his biceps. Just there, there. And then he has those valves on his chest as well. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then he's some going down his arm. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Same over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And then they're black. Right, that's it. How to draw Kid Buu. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Oh wait, that's not how you draw him. Start again. No, we just missed his frown lines up here. I knew there was something missing. Okay, that's how you draw Kid Buu. Thanks for watching. Bye.